front of me is Hammer Blade 5, and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Passwords autofill. All you need to do is open Settings and scroll all the way down to select Passwords and Accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google under Autofill Service. Tap on this switcher next to Use Autofill with Google and wait. As you can see, after that my switcher and all of those features are grey, which means that autofill is off. To switch it back on, use the same switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!